Welcome fellas into this new video of TechExpress. Today let's get started with the Plus500. Plus500 is famous for being simple, but there are actually three different versions you need to know about. So most people use the CFD platform for leverage, but if you wanted to own real stock, you need to invest. So US users will primarily use for the Plus500 futures. So trading CFD involves high risk. Today I'm going to be showing you the safe way to learn using the unlimited demo account before you touch a single dollar of real money. So to get started, codes, you need to go directly here into the plus500.com. So to setting up the limited demo, you need to start with a real account. Click for the option that says try it for free, or just sign in if you already have an actual account here to the Trade 500. All you need to do, course, is to enter just for example like a real email, and you're actually good to go. In my case, it says that the already is been registered, so what I need to do is to head back directly here into the Trade Plus element. Let's go for try the actual free demo. And here directly in here, what you can do is to hit for the already have an actual account. Once again, I do exactly the same account that I'm currently having. I hit for the option that says logged in, and we should now have access directly for the actual Plus500. Into the upper side, you see that we have usually $1 million, or I believe a little bit more than that. And so the demo gives you $400,000 by default, so change this to 150, whatever you actually plan to deposit. This makes your practice season much more realistic, right? So you can switch between the demo and the real mode at the bottom of the actual sidebar. So in this case, I'm going to just stick around with this element. What I need to do now is to focus into, you can switch between the demo and real mode. Stick around with the demo mode and navigate to the interface on the chart. Now into the sidebar, you usually have the trade over 2,800 instruments. You can use the search tab on the chart to find specific assets like the Tesla. You can find Bitcoin, for example, which is the BTC, and you can click directly into this specific instrument. And I'm going to be showing you how you can get started with the actual trade. For example, it says sell, buy, info, insights, and trade. So the Plus500 web trader has 110 indicators, so you can click into the indicators that are here appearing into this left section. For example, this FX section, and icon that as moving average are the RIS. For example, let's say that I'm going to be changing this for, I don't know, maybe the moving average like this. So moving average was added to my chart layout, and I can hit for done. For example, I can add, for example, now the RSI like this. I can click directly into it, and it's going to be added now directly into my layouts. So this standout features you can click into, for example, the plus insights that you can find directly into this left section, which is the plus insights, to see the community sentimental. So this shows you what percentage of other Plus500 traders are buying versus selling in a specific store. So I'm going to close this element. You can execute your first trade. Let's say we think gold is going up. So what you can do is to look out for most traded. And here into gold, let's say that I wanted to purchase buy. This opens the trade window. It's going to be telling you how much would you like to buy. Let's say 4,661. If this one goes down by 60, I think that I can be making the payment. So like this, and I hit for the option that says buy. Just like that, I have now made the process. Look at the required margin. Since the CFD trading, you only need a small percentage of the total trade value, but remember that this multiplies your losses just as fast as you gains. So never ever trade without a stop loss. You can set the price where you wanted to trade to automatically close if the market goes against you. For this, what you wanted to do is that when you have now selected that element, for example, let's say that here is going to be appearing the right information that I just told you, which in this case would be appearing directly in here. And when I, let's say for example, have the actual changed, I can hit for my edit. And here I closed at loss. Let's say I wanted to lose less than this, and I go for my profit. If my profit goes for more than this specific value, I can now start to sell. And there we go, automatically it's going to be doing this process for me. I don't need to wait till this high and low process has now been correctly done. Now, to monitor and to close, once you hit, for example, into buy, you trade moves here, you can see that your live profit or loss moving into real time. When you hit your target and change your mind, you can click into close the position, which in this case should be appearing directly right in here. The funds are instantly returned to your balance if you wanted to close that element. Now keep in mind that the CFDs are for short-term trading. If you keep position open past the 10 p.m., this charges an overnight fee, so don't hold this for months. So to move the real money, you'll need to upload a photo ID and proof of the actual address. So you want to take that in mind, right? So in 2026, the verification usually takes less than an hour. You can start slow, you can use your stop losses and keep your leverage low. So with this being said, guys, we have now reached into the end of the video. This is how you can actually get started with a real demo mode. You can change this from demo and here into the left section to the real. You can see that here your money is now being available directly inside here. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel, guys. If you want to see more great tools how you can get started with the Plus500 and the real-time investments, we can do this into another video. Thank you once again for watching. See you guys next time.